As you read this, we are an hour away from getting married. In the days leading up to today, I started to think about how I got here and what it means to me. As I sat pondering all that a marriage with you will bring, I noticed one thing. The oft-described jitters or cold feet, they were all non-existent. Not once during this whole process have I been nervous about the thought of being your husband.
I can't believe our wedding day is finally here. We've been planning for this day for months and months, and I'm so glad it's actually here. I had no idea that the man I was meeting that warm August night a few years ago would be the man that would be meeting me at the altar later today. On that date, we talked for hours, and I love that that still hasn't changed, and I know never will. You are my partner, my perfect complement, my missing piece, and I'm so glad I found you. My only regret is that I didn't meet you sooner.
You okay?
A little nervous.
You're nervous?
Slow.
I love you very much and can't wait to see how beautiful you are as you walk down the aisle. Here's to our final moments as fiancés and the beginning of our forever, with all my love. I promise to encourage you, inspire you, and to love you truly in good times and in bad. When life seems easy and when it seems hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort. I will forever be there to make you laugh. And when you can't look on the bright side, I will sit with you in the dark.
I promise to be your accomplice in mischief and your guide in adventure. I promise to always be your home. Just know that home will always include lots of animals. I will share in your dreams and help you achieve your goals. I promise to always be your greatest fan.
I'm your rock and will love you unconditionally. You are my favorite person, my love in my life, today and always.
I vow to choose you every day, not because I have to, but because I want to. You are my favorite person, my love, and my life, today and always.
Chris and Amelia, inasmuch as you have given yourselves to each other by solemn vows with the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of rings, I announce that you are husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your bride. It is my honor and privilege to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Miss Chris and Amelia.
Standing in the crowd and I hear the song in my head. It's playing over and over and waiting out back. My heart's about to attack. I see you out of the black, getting louder and louder. You know what I'm thinking, but I won't confess. No one is speaking, but I know you're fireworks fade.